I'm just looking for arrows.
Okay.
No. Nice. Centered.
You still live in a horse ranch?
It's a bull.
Horse farm? Yeah. We had a trainer that came in.
Just loves the bull.
Let's do this.
Bull.
One time she was walking across to him so long and we had done that. I swear it went like... You can understand that's probably a really stupid thing to do as a child.
Bull.
I used to whip each other with like those long, super training force whips. Yeah, we have, you can do that, but we can get like, rubber bands and stuff.
Oh, you're empty.
Oh.
Having fun?
Yes.
Take the mag out. Put it on safe. Okay, it's on safe.
Okay, how do I take the mag out?
Push the button beside.
It knocks it over. Which side? This side?
No, that's the safety, sweetheart.
Oh, the little...
Power of
Yep.
the arrow.
It's the same on both sides, left or right.
Oh, okay.
It's ambidextrous. Good job. Happy now?